2007 Dodge Ram 2500, 5.7 liter, heavy duty. What we got done on it for you guys today? Still got the stock converters right there and right there. Then it widens into a 3-inch single. Then we widen it back out to a 3-inch to 2.5-inch tailpipes. Out the sides into 3-inch tips. Right there and right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute. Hope you guys like it. There it is. Go ahead. Dodges never disappoint. That's the glass back we took off of it. Had single before. Let you guys hear it on the inside.
Inside the 07 Ram. She sounds pretty.
It's still here. Wow.
There's not a single day that passes without you on my mind. Not even 1 minute can end up before you come around. I yearn for the days when I see your face here before me.